Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Consignment Inventory Usage Data Loader. This data loader is an excellent tool to help you improve efficiency in the management of non-EDI consigned inventory. It provides a simplified interface that allows you to upload large amounts of data and gives you visibility to relevant QAD data in one tool. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the data loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. A great feature of this tool is that we can get a consigned orders report prior to inputting usage information. The orders will be displayed based on the search criteria we've entered. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Consignment Inventory Usage Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate the user ID and password. This loader validates that we have access to menu 7.18.13. Let's log in. The Consigned Orders report will be displayed in a separate tab. The data displayed is based on the search parameters. In our example, we will look at this part number here and note that there is an open quantity of 67. There are two ways to input consigned inventory. We can download from QAD first based on search parameters that have been entered, and then input reported usage in the sales column. Alternatively, we can enter the details of inventory consumption from our customer file by filling in the fields highlighted in orange. Since data loaders utilize standard Excel spreadsheets, we have all of Excel's functionality, so we can simply copy-paste data from our customer file. When we select the Download button, line validation is performed against the data in the Shipped to, Sold to, and Item Number fields. Only the fields in gray highlighted columns will be populated as a result of the download. Values in the orange columns will remain the same. Once all adjustments to inventory consumption have been made, we can select the Allocate Usage button to allocate quantities from the Inventory tab against open consigned sales orders, starting with the oldest order first. These are displayed in the Usage Allocation tab. We can review the usage data and then click Confirm Usage. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if our upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Consignment Usage Data Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. At this point, we can still make changes manually to quantities and dates if desired. Once we have fixed our errors, we click the Confirm Usage button. This time the upload is successful. We can close the status window. As this is real-time, changes are immediate. We can select the Consigned Orders button to see what has been invoiced. For example, for order 10,006, line 2, the original order had an open quantity of 67, and we now see the open quantity is 60, and the original invoice quantity was 43 and is now 50. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of consigned order inventory detail records in convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Consigned Inventory Usage Data Loader will increase productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.